How to turn on call forward when unanswered on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on the phone app. Next, tap on the more button and then tap on settings. Now in call settings, we scroll down and then tap on supplementary services. After that, tap on call forwarding and then tap on forward when unanswered. Here, put in the phone number that you want to forward to, or you can select a phone number from the contact and then tap on turn on. And that's it. We have now turned on call forwarding when unanswered. And if you want to cancel the call forwarding, you can tap on that and then tap on turn off. And we have now switched off call forwarding for when unanswered. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.